Hey, what's going on, everybody? Corey Allen here. First off, just want to say thank you for stopping by and checking out this video today here. I'll definitely appreciate it. I just want to share my success that I'm having here with the Wi-Fi well system. Truly amazing system. Very easy to set up and get going, and I'll start earning commissions. I'm really just helping you earn a little bit more income on the side here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and show you my results that I've been having so far. Granted, I've only been going at this for about a week and a half now, and I've already seen some great results. So really, the sky's the limit once you're ready to make that jump and be committed, and just really start putting your time into the amount of success that you want to have here. So what I'm going to show you here, and what you're looking at is our Wi-Fi wealth system stats here. This is my back office. So what it's saying here is it's saying, as far as my what I've or how many people I've brought to my affiliate link here, is I've gotten 129 clicks, 62 opt-ins, 25 people have registered, then I have 2 eBay sales, and then it says 0 MCA and 0 AWeber. What you have to do here is cross-reference things, meaning just go check and verify, make sure those numbers are correct, because for some reason they don't always show exactly the true number of people that you've referred. So let's see here. So really, as far as Ebates go, and as you can see, I've already got $10.30 back, cash back. So basically what Ebates is, just to explain that a little bit more in detail as well, basically it's a cashback website. You can go anywhere, or you name it, anywhere that you normally shop and get cash back, which is awesome. So if you're a person that shops at, let's say, I know Amazon's on here, Macy's, Kohl's, Walmart, you name it, you get a chance to get a certain amount of cash back. So definitely makes the shopping a little bit more fun, and get paid while you shop. So who doesn't love that? Also here, excuse me, I don't know why this is showing up here down here. Sorry about that. But anyways, here, so you get $15 per referral of the people that you bring in on the Ebates. So again, on the Wi-Fi well system, I said I had 2 Ebate sales or Ebate referrals. But when you go over here and I cross-reference it, in total I have 8 people signed up. So that's $15 a pop there, and $120 without even reaching out and having to bother my friends, bother my family, or what have you. Easiest $120 that I've made. So which is pretty cool. Also, our back end offer here, which is our MCA. As you can see, I've generated 1 referral. $19.95 is what she pays per month. But after that one referral, I've got an $80 commission right off bat with that. So which is pretty awesome. I've been in MCA for a while, but truly have never had any success, and already I'm starting to see success here, which is just really exciting. So I know if I can do this, you guys can definitely do this as well, no matter if you're a newbie or whatnot. As long as you're able to follow steps, and you can listen, you can pay attention, get everything set up here. Once you go through all of these, you'll be fine. So which is truly what is so amazing about this system. I just want to show you my AWeber as well. AWeber is just getting filled up, which is awesome here. These are all the people that I've basically that clicked and got registered. Now, granted, not everybody has confirmed, but that's okay, because it's the follow-up is what matters, and that's what's going to get people to go ahead and look at the offer more. But it's just as long as you're getting those emails, that's just a huge step on its own. So yeah, just basically wanted to show you my success that I'm having, and what you'll see below on this video is another person, as far as that has gotten involved with the Wi-Fi well system. She's going to explain to you how easy it is and the success that she's had. And then also I have the testimonial from the creator who has put the Wi-Fi well system together. And you'll see that at the very last video, and she's just showing her results that she's gotten an MCA. Which we are all very capable of. So I know that I'm going to start having those weeks here very soon. I'm going to be consistent, and I know that you guys can now have this as well. So Again, thank you for checking out this video. I hope you like it. Make sure you hit that join now button so you can get going and start earning these commissions, and just start having the success that you deserve. Again, thanks, and make it a great day. Peace.